Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Tinder can't delete account problem. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and now let's get into it. So in order to do this, the first thing that you're gonna need to do is make sure that the Tinder app on your mobile device is up to date. To do that, you're gonna have to open up the Play Store app and then press onto search in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then press onto the search box on the top of the screen and type in Tinder, just like that, and press enter. Now, if you got the button update appearing instead of open, press onto it and then wait for the app to install the updated version, and once it's done you can go ahead and press onto open. It's gonna open up the app, and as you can see, now the next step is to go to the settings page. To do that, first you want to press onto the profile icon located in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then press onto the gear icon, which you can find in the top right hand corner. And now we are in the settings page, so you want to check if you have any subscriptions, and if you have, make sure to turn it off. Now for the next step, you want to scroll down until you see the button that says log out. Press onto it, then press on to forget me on this device, and after that log in again using your email or phone number, and the box should be nowhere to appear. You can come back to the settings page again, then scroll all the way down until you see the delete account button and tap on it. Then press onto the delete my account option, and finally you can press onto the skip option in the top right hand corner, and your account should be successfully deleted. And that's it. That is how to fix Tinder can't delete account problem. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next one.